Today I went to the river. I fished and spent the night on the riverbank. I'm about to reach the river. In this river where I set my eel fishing rod, but not here, but near the mountain there, for its location in Sasu, Harimau, Central Sulawesi. Wow, cute animals are dreaming. Dream of meeting your crush. I've arrived at this river. The spot is really good. I thought the river water was bigger because it was raining. This seems like the right position to put up a tent. Before that, I looked for worms first. If it's afternoon, especially after it rains, worms are really hard to find. These black worms are the most effective for fishing in rivers. I plugged the fork in it. I will use this as a fishing pole. I installed the bait for the bait, maybe one fishing rod I have filled with 2 worms. So it's like this. Now I throw the fishing rod. Wow, the river water is still murky. Who knows, maybe an eel might come out. This is the fishing rod. I'll try it first. The sunset is about to disappear. I want to put up the tent first. I have installed the tent now. My fishing rod hasn't eaten yet. Down there, I saw someone fishing. I just pulled my fishing rod, maybe a small minnow, but I'll just leave it alone. Because it was dark, I made this fire. I turned it on earlier with the Kaiten move. I swear camping here is very quiet. There are only sounds of crickets and other animals. It's only 8:30. Today is Sunday night. Another person was hanging out with his girlfriend, but I still hunted and spent the night on the riverbank. I swear this is really exciting. I'm pulling this fishing rod. The bait is still there. This one eats small fish. If a small fish eats it, it just bites. If a big fish eats it, it's directly half. I'll visit again. While waiting for the fishing rod, I eat fried food first. I forgot I brought fried food in my bag. It's really delicious to eat in nature, especially eating it next to the fire and sit with you. That's great. I brought tofu filled with tempeh, bakwan, and banana molen. It's been several hours since my pot hasn't been eaten. It's almost similar to crocodile. It's very similar, but different from land crocodiles. It's already 12 o'clock at night. Because the fritters are finished, I want to hunt. Because the river happens to be close to the rice fields, I want to hunt in the rice fields. Wow, here is a big yellow eel. I'm trying to catch this eel. When catching eels, you have to be careful and slow, well, like this. The catching tutorial failed. The eel managed to escape. I forgot to bring the clothespin I made, so I caught the eels with my bare hands. I saw another big eel. I tried catching it with my bare hands. Looks like the eel has a sycamore move. Suddenly disappeared. I see there are eels again. I caught this very slowly. Well, the eel managed to escape. This eel is trying to escape again. When I wanted to catch the eel, it went straight into the hole. I saw a big frog. I immediately caught it and I got it. Well, this is the frog. This is a rice field frog. In the sewer I saw there were eels again. I immediately clamped the eel, using my nail clip, as strong as possible. Eel, I got it. Even though the size is not big, but still grateful. I immediately cleaned the eel. This is clean. The frog is also clean. For the wood I used Gamal wood, so that it tastes even more delicious. I filled it with salt. Now it's time for me to burn it. While waiting for this to cook, I want to pull the fishing line. I think I can. Turns out it was stuck underneath. It seems like this is stuck at the grass roots, or not on wood. It's impossible for it to get stuck in your heart. I don't want to force this. I tried pulling the rope. I pulled slowly. Finally the fishing line came off, so I didn't come down. This is a bit more mature, so it cooks quickly. I blow. Well, this is ripe. It looks really delicious. I didn't bring rice, so I ate it accompanied by green rika. The taste of the meat is really delicious. The pepper is quite spicy. Finally, this hungry stomach was filled too. Although not too full, but we must remain grateful. My eyes are really sleepy. I want to go sleep.